New Year's Day. New Year's Day marks the beginning of the calendar year and is celebrated with excitement, reflection, and hope. Across the US, people make resolutions promising to start fresh, whether it's about fitness, finances, or personal growth. The night before, on New Year's Eve, millions gather to watch fireworks, attend parties, or tune into the famous Times Square ball drop in New York City. Families may share meals, clink glasses of champagne at midnight, or simply enjoy the countdown from home. For many, January 1st is also a day of rest after a long night of celebration. Beyond the festivities, it symbolizes new beginnings, encouraging people to leave behind past struggles and step into the year ahead with optimism. Martin Luther King Jr. Day. On the third Monday in January, the nation pauses to honor Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., the leader of the civil rights movement. Instead of just another day off, this holiday is often called a day on, encouraging service, volunteerism, and community work. Schools, churches, and civic groups organize events celebrating King's legacy of equality, justice, and nonviolent protest. It's a reminder of his famous "I Have a Dream" speech and the continuing struggle for racial and social justice in America. Washington's birthday. Though originally set aside to honor George Washington, this holiday has grown into President's Day, recognizing all U.S. presidents. It's observed on the third Monday in February, conveniently close to Abraham Lincoln's birthday too. Beyond honoring leaders, it's become a cultural moment. Stores run massive sales, and schools teach about the nation's founding. But at its core, it's about reflecting on the presidency as an institution and the men who have shaped the United States throughout history. Memorial Day. Memorial Day is a solemn holiday dedicated to honoring the men and women who gave their lives while serving in the U.S. military. It's more than just the unofficial start of summer. It's a time for remembrance and gratitude. Across the nation, people visit cemeteries, lay flowers or flags on the graves of fallen soldiers, and hold parades to pay tribute. Families also gather for barbecues and community events, blending reflection with togetherness. The day reminds Americans of the sacrifices made for their freedoms and why it's important never to forget those who served. Juneteenth, National Independence Day. Juneteenth, declared a federal holiday in 2021, commemorates June 19, 1865, when enslaved people in Texas finally learned they were free, 2 years after the Emancipation Proclamation. Often called America's Second Independence Day, Juneteenth has long been celebrated by African American communities with parades, music, and gatherings. Today, it's recognized nationally as a time to reflect on freedom, resilience, and the ongoing journey toward racial equality. The holiday blends joy and remembrance, honoring both struggle and progress. Independence Day. Independence Day is one of the most patriotic holidays in America. On July 4th, 1776, the Declaration of Independence was adopted, marking the nation's break from British rule. Today, the holiday is filled with pride, fireworks, and the display of the American flag. Families and friends gather for backyard barbecues, picnics, and parades that often feature marching bands and veterans. Cities organize fireworks shows, lighting up the night sky with red, white, and blue. For many Americans, the 4th of July is about more than just celebration. It's a reminder of the fight for freedom and the values of liberty and democracy. Whether in small towns or big cities, the holiday brings people together to honor history while enjoying the spirit of summer. Labor Day. Labor Day is a holiday dedicated to the American workforce, honoring the contributions of workers who built and continue to power the nation. It originated in the late 19th century during the labor movement, when workers were fighting for fair wages, safer conditions, and reasonable working hours. Today, Labor Day is often seen as the unofficial end of summer, marked by parades, picnics, and family gatherings. For many, it's also the last long weekend before the school year begins. While people enjoy barbecues, road trips, and relaxation, the heart of the holiday is a reminder to appreciate the rights, protections, and opportunities that workers have earned over time. Columbus Day. This holiday has evolved significantly. Traditionally, Columbus Day celebrated Christopher Columbus's 1492 voyage and the discovery of the Americas. But in recent years, many states and cities have shifted toward Indigenous Peoples Day instead. This change acknowledges the native communities who lived on the land long before European arrival and the struggles they faced after. Today, the holiday sparks reflection and conversation about history, culture, and whose stories deserve to be told. Veterans Day, originally Armistice Day, marking the end of World War I. This holiday honors all U.S. military veterans, both living and deceased. Parades, ceremonies, and speeches take place nationwide. Schools and communities often invite veterans to share their experiences, reminding younger generations of the sacrifices made. Unlike Memorial Day, which remembers the fallen, Veterans Day focuses on gratitude for the service of those still among us. It's a day of pride, respect, and national unity. Thanksgiving Day. Thanksgiving is one of the most beloved American traditions, rooted in the 1621 feast shared by Pilgrims and Native Americans. Celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November, it's a time for gratitude, family, and of course, food. Families gather around tables filled with roast turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie. Beyond the meal, many people take a moment to reflect on the blessings in their lives and express thankfulness. Thanksgiving also includes traditions like the Macy's Thanksgiving Day parade in New York City, NFL football games, and the kickoff to the holiday shopping season with Black Friday. While it's a joyous day, it also reminds many of America's complex history with Indigenous peoples, adding layers of reflection. At its heart, though, Thanksgiving is about togetherness and appreciation. Christmas Day. Christmas is both a religious and cultural holiday, celebrated widely across the United States on December 25th. For Christians, it marks the birth of Jesus Christ, often observed with church services, nativity plays, and carols. But beyond religion, Christmas has grown into a cultural celebration filled with lights, decorated trees, and the tradition of exchanging gifts. Children eagerly await Santa Claus, who is said to deliver presents on Christmas Eve. Families decorate their homes with ornaments, wreaths, and glowing lights, creating a warm and festive atmosphere. Meals often include ham, roasted meats, cookies, and hot cocoa. The holiday season is also a time for giving, with many donating to charities or helping those in need. For most, Christmas represents joy, generosity, and cherished moments with loved ones. And that's every major U.S. holiday explained. From patriotic celebrations like the 4th of July to reflective days like Thanksgiving and festive traditions like Christmas, each holiday tells a story about American culture, history, and values. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow explanations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.